everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to review your Roblox ban history. Whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or computer, this process works the same across all platforms. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or website on your device. If you suspect you've been banned before, or if you've had any bans appealed and your account reinstated, this is where you can find all that information. Navigate to the More option, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once there, scroll down until you see the Help and Safety section and tap on it. Within the Help and Safety menu, look for Violations and Appeals. Here you'll find a detailed history of any warnings or temporary bans your account may have received. This includes community standards violations, guideline infractions, or reports from other users. Even if you've successfully appealed a ban and had your account reinstated, the history of these incidents will still be visible here. It's a helpful feature for keeping track of your account status and understanding how to stay compliant with Roblox's rules. And that's it! Checking your ban history is simple and a great way to ensure your account stays in good standing.